This video is Kevin breaks into the vending machine grounded. Inspired by Colors 358.
Today class, we are going to learn about dyslexia.
Man, really want a snack from the vending machine. I'm so hungry. Well, I know. Mrs. Maria, may I please use the bathroom?
Go right ahead, but you have 3 minutes in there.
I think I'll get a bag of Ruffles. Hey! Why won't the stupid-ass machine accept my money? Oh well, let me try again. I will try one more time. I have had it. Die to die, retarded machine.
I just saw Kevin breaking into our vending machine. He is so going to get it.
Yes. I got my bag of Ruffles.
Not so fast.
Oh, what the hell?
Get in my office now, and put down those bag of Ruffles you stole from the vending machine. Kevin, do you think you can get away with breaking into the vending machine? You are not permitted ever to vandalize school property. You're expelled.
Kevin, we are very disappointed that you got kicked out of school for breaking the vending machine.
But Mom and Dad, the reason why I broke into the vending machine was because the vending machine won't accept my money.
Kevin, we don't want to hear another word out of your mouth. This is second time you destroyed school property, and because of that, you're grounded for 12 weeks. This means no brainy baby, happy tree friends, no Fairly Odd Parents, no breadwinners, no SpongeBob, and no rated R movies.
Go to your room or else me and Mom will have sent you to a different school.
Wow. Hey.
Yeah, you better say, stupid ass kid.